Every single day, millions of people around the world enjoy fried chicken. But before it reaches your bucket or plate, it goes through a fascinating journey of preparation, coating, and frying inside massive industrial kitchens and food processing plants. Today, we'll go behind the factory doors to explore how fried chicken, just like the famous KFC recipe, is made using a combination of human skill and advanced machinery. The process begins long before the chicken ever touches seasoning. Trucks deliver refrigerated chicken from trusted farms to the factory. Upon arrival, each shipment undergoes strict inspections. The chicken is weighed, tested for freshness, and stored in large cold rooms that maintain temperatures just above freezing. From here, conveyor belts carry the chicken into the processing area. Automated cutting machines and skilled butchers divide whole chickens into uniform cuts: wings, thighs, drumsticks, and breast fillets. Each piece must meet specific size and weight standards to ensure consistency across thousands of servings. Food safety is a top priority. Before seasoning begins, every piece passes through automated washing tunnels where jets of chilled water rinse away impurities. Metal detectors scan for any unwanted particles, while cameras ensure the chicken is the right color and texture. Any piece that doesn't meet quality requirements is removed instantly. Now, the flavor journey begins. Large tumbling drums, each holding hundreds of pounds of chicken, rotate slowly as a liquid marinade is pumped in. This mixture often includes buttermilk, salt, and a blend of spices. The tumblers move in slow, hypnotic circles, massaging the marinade deep into the meat. The process not only adds flavor but also tenderizes the chicken, ensuring juicy results after frying. The marination stage can last several hours depending on the recipe. Some factories even use vacuum tumblers, which pull air out of the chain. Next, the marinated chicken makes its way to the breading area. Here, KFC's secret blend of 11 herbs and spices, or similar seasoning mixes, are blended into large bins of flour. Industrial sifters keep the flour light and airy, preventing clumps. Workers in protective gear guide the chicken through a precise 3-step coating process. A dusting of dry flour, a dip in liquid batter for stickiness, a final dredge in seasoned flour which locks in layers of crunch. Machines shake and tumble the pieces, ensuring even coverage. By the end of this stage, each piece has a thick, rough coating, the signature look of crispy fried chicken. Now it's time for the transformation. The coated chicken moves into massive industrial fryers. These stainless steel machines are filled with hot oil, maintained at carefully controlled temperatures. As conveyor baskets lower the chicken into the oil, sensors track time, heat, and cooking progress. The frying process takes several minutes, during which the outer coating hardens into a crispy shell while the inside stays tender and juicy. Unlike home frying, where oil temperature can fluctuate, industrial fryers are designed for consistency. Each batch comes out identical, perfectly golden, evenly cooked, and safe to eat. Behind the scenes, the oil itself is also carefully monitored. Filtration systems remove crumbs and debris, while sensors track oil quality. Once the oil reaches a certain usage level, it's replaced to ensure that every piece of chicken has the same clean, fresh taste. Safety is critical too. Machines are equipped with emergency shutoffs, automatic lifts, and fire suppression systems to protect workers and maintain food standards. Once fried, the chicken is carefully lifted from the oil and placed onto draining racks. Fans circulate cool air to bring the surface temperature down slightly, while excess oil drips away. During this stage, quality inspectors test random pieces for crispiness, internal temperature, and appearance. If a batch doesn't meet standards, it's discarded or reprocessed. Only the best makes it through to packaging.